I'm Rachel, and I live with my husband Gary in Crickhowell in Powys. We met many years ago at the hospital we were both working at, and it was our careers in nursing that led us to become foster carers. We did lots of research before contacting the Powys Local Authority fostering team, and it's the best thing we've ever done. I think we're both quite caring, and there are lots of skills from when we were nurses that we've used to help us be the best foster carers we can be. We both cut our hours to make it work at the beginning, and now we're both full-time foster carers. We first started fostering back in 2009. We've had different young people to stay with us since then. We're very much part of the local fostering community, and that support has helped us to care for each child in the best way possible. Ewan and Richard were matched with us long-term 4 years ago. They were just 3 and 8 at the time. They'd both been through quite a lot for little ones and weren't really able to just be children until they came to live with us. It feels like they've been here forever now. We love them so much, they're part of our family. Ewan is 7 and Richard is 13. They've grown into confident young boys with bright futures ahead of them. Richard's in his 3rd year at Comp and has enjoyed joining every sports team going. He's been to Germany on football camp with school and plays for the local rugby team. Ewan, on the other hand, is the complete opposite. He's a natural singer and actor. He's always the star of the school's drama and productions, always performing. The boys had lived with lots of different friends and family before they came to us. It amazes me how children so little can experience so much, but then be okay and surprise us and grow in confidence every day. Fostering is all about helping children to adapt, making sure that they know they are loved and wanted. That's what we've tried to do, and we'll never miss a match or a show. It's so important for the boys to see us being there for them.